Guys, just cleaning up everything after Christmas. I wanted to show you Kody's pile of toys. Look at all those toys you got! Look at all those toys you got! Yeah! Everybody got Kody a toy! Look at all the toys you got, oh boy! Look at them all! Yeah! Yeah, Eva got you this one. Eva got you this one. Yeah, which one to Daddy? And Daddy? Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, and I consulted my 8-ball just to make sure that I was going to get a stimulus check. You know, that's where you get your real future told. I'm just kidding. Look at all them toys, my boy. He's such a good boy. He's such a good boy. Squeaky, squeaky, squeaky. Look at the squeaky, Kody. Look at the squeaky, 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 squeaky. Yeah, good grandma got you stuff. Everybody got something for the Kody. Check out my drum. I got that for my birthday a couple years ago. Damn, my boy with the squeaky. All right, just a after Christmas check-in. Peace. Boop, boop. Be kind to each other.